9 years ago, who would have imagined nung sinabihan tayo ng boss natin na we look good together? Ang sagot mo lang sa akin, she's like a little sister to me with matching top sa knees ko.
I know that ever since June 2006, when I first met you, I know in my heart na I want to be with you.
Sabi ko na nga ba na love at first sight ka sa akin. You two are my early heavens. Kiati, it's been a very hard day, minsan, pagka nag-aaway tayo. And it's not every day that I get to say this, but from the bottom of my heart, thank you for the overflowing love, patience, and joy.
Love for you grew stronger every moment when I'm with you. So happy and blessed to have you in my life as my partner in crime.
A new chapter in our lives together, and I can't wait to start it with you. I love you so much, Yum Yum ko, with all of you.
This will be a new chapter in our lives together. And I can't wait to start it with you. Our journey was rough, but the destination, our wedding, is worth dying for, knowing I have you beside me. I love you so much, Mari.
Today, in front of God, I proudly say I do. And I vow to be by your side as your wife. And now, I'm officially Mrs. Kiat. I love you so much.